Hey there, Scott here with Saws on Skates. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple lap desk. I made it with just one board and some basic tools. That makes this an inexpensive project that's easy to build for beginners. I started by using my miter saw to cut 3 pieces of 1x6. I could have also cut the boards to length with a jigsaw and a speed square. Next I joined the boards with a little wood glue. When the glue was dry, I sanded the panel smooth. At the top of the panel, I laid out the location for the handle. I used a 1-inch Forstner bit to drill a hole at each mark. Then I used a straight edge to connect the top and bottom of the holes. I used a jigsaw to cut out the area in between the holes. On the back side of the panel, I laid out the kerb for the bottom of the desk. I used push pins to mark the sides and the top of the curve. Then I placed a flexible metal ruler against the push pins and traced the curve with a pencil. You could try this with a piece of cardboard if you don't have a flexible ruler. Next I laid out the angles at the top and bottom of the panel. I measured in on each corner and connected those marks with the edge of a 1-quart container. The edges of the panel were smoothed with a sanding block. Next, I removed the sanding dust with a shop vac. I applied a coat of water-based polyurethane to the back and front of the desk. When the poly was dry, I lightly sanded the desk with sandpaper. I removed the sanding dust and then repeated these steps to apply 2 more coats of polyurethane. This lap desk is ready for work. Stick around, click more videos now to watch more helpful DIY tutorials.